home values continue to climb. Well, that isn't the headline some of my customers or those inquiring about Southwest Florida are hoping to hear. I get a number of calls from people who are pretty confident that rising interest rates and the overall economy are going to take recent gains out of the greater Naples, Florida area real estate market value. For the most part, it hasn't happened. What's going on here? Well, let's talk about it. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Terry Pasquarelli with MVP Realty. As we review how April 2023 worked out in the Naples, Florida area real estate market, I'll summarize data that comes from analysis done by the Naples Area Board of Realtors, which tracks home listings and sales within Naples and Collier County, excluding Marco Island. The greater Naples area real estate market was buoyed by another month of increased home values that resulted primarily from another month of below typical inventory levels. A number of our local market analysts don't expect inventory to spike between now and the end of 2023 to levels that were in place, say, before the pandemic. However, since 2019, the number of new listings each month has remained pretty consistent, with most months reporting an average between 1,100 and 1,300 new listings. In April 2023, that new listing statistic was 1,116, right inside the average. And last month's data showed that March 2023 had 1,369 new listings, right near the top of the average range. In both months, these listings were off 18 to 25% from the same months last year. Yet in both months, overall inventory was up over the fast-paced 2022 market. We saw 2,900 homes available overall in March 2023, and the latest data reports 2,868 homes in the housing inventory in April of 2023. There is an impact of higher interest rates that's holding back the greater Naples, Florida housing market and the rate of home sales here. That's because we continue to be an in-migration market. That is to say, a lot of our home sales are with buyers who are coming to the Naples area from other parts of the country. With higher interest rates than in 2021 and early 2022, buyers who own a home in another part of the country and want to purchase a home here are having a harder time selling their current home because the pool of potential buyers that can afford a mortgage at today's rate is limited. And many other geographic markets are more dependent on financed sales than the Southwest Florida market. Interest rates can have a notable impact on Florida sellers too. A number of prospective sellers in the Southwest Florida market currently enjoy a low interest rate on their current mortgage too. So new listings decreased 25% in April 2023 compared to April last year. Although many homes in the Naples market have doubled in value since 2019, providing sellers with a profit to use toward their next home's possible mortgage obligation to make monthly payments more affordable even at today's interest rates, some sellers are slowing down the process. They're not sure they want to give up their current low interest rates. One interesting report shared that the months of inventory is decreasing in communities off the water and east of I-75, a data-oriented sign that living in close proximity to the beach is not always a requirement of homeownership in Naples anymore. Here's an example. In January 2019, Port Royal, a well-regarded and typically high-priced community near the Gulf of Mexico, had 1.3 years of inventory, and today it has 1.3 years of inventory. But in January 2019, the Vineyards in central Naples had 10 months of inventory, and today it has less than 1 month. And in some areas east of Collier Boulevard, the report says there are less than 4 months of inventory. When you're under 6 to 12 months of available inventory, then you're in a seller's market. So tracking and understanding specific zip codes and communities in the greater Naples area is important to making selling and buying decisions, including price. The overall slower inventory increases this year led to April 2023 pending and closed sales dropping back a little from last month's March 23 data and off from the stronger April 2022 sales market. As some homes remain on the market longer than last year, With the average days on market creeping back up to 53 days in April, there were over 1,100 price decreases during April as well. So for buyers, in many situations, price negotiations are back in the purchase process, although lowball offers don't typically win the day, while the median home prices in our area continue to rise month after month. Yet, some other encouragement for our buyers is that the rise in median single-family home price values is happening at a slower pace, single-digit growth, compared to the months of double-digit growth increases. We saw a difference in the condominium market, however, with a 14.3% increase in April compared to April last year. That left the overall median price increase at a 6% gain compared to the same month last year. One of the conversations we often have with our homebuyer customers is to check early with multiple insurance companies about the expected home insurance cost for the property they hope to purchase. It's a good idea to have the insurance company's feedback before home contract negotiations to make sure the home meets current insurance coverage requirements and that the buyer understands their overall cash flow if they succeed with the purchase. While a buyer in Florida can assume the seller's insurance policy, for flood insurance, that's not the case with the prior owner's general homeowner's policy. And one more thing. Well, before I go there, if you're hearing some things that are insightful or helpful to you, I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you're among the first to learn when I post new video episodes to the channel. Now, subscribing is free, and I won't put you on a mailing list. Subscribing to this channel is an opportunity for you to keep current with all things real estate in the greater Naples, Florida area. And your support of the channel definitely helps the channel to grow and reach more people who are interested in this type of information about the greater Naples, Florida real estate market and about living in Southwest Florida. If you've already subscribed, thank you. Your support helps us to grow the channel every month, and I appreciate you helping us reach our goal of assisting even more home sellers and home buyers throughout 2023. Okay, one more thing. Do you love golf? Well, one of the data points that shows up in our April 2023 market activity is that homes in luxury gated golf communities that include a golf membership are selling quickly these days. These properties are highly desirable because a majority of the private golf courses in Naples have a 2-year or longer waiting list. So be ready. With all of these factors influencing the strategies of home sellers and home buyers in the greater Naples, Florida area, it's important for you to work with an experienced realtor who is tracking the market regularly and has the experience to help you navigate the process, whether you're selling or buying. Preparation to make a competitive offer is critical because the great homes can still go under contract quickly. And a number of our recent transactions have been multiple offer situations. If you're not ready with your cash or a fully pre-approved financing plan, you may be left without a winning offer. Now, that shouldn't happen to you, so be sure to reach out for my professional support. We can work through your specific situation to have a plan to sell quickly for the best possible price or to find a strong value in a community you'll enjoy if you're ready to buy a home. Whether you're looking to invest, upsize, downsize, move on to a new community, or move here from across the country, I'm here and ready to assist you. So reach out today. All of my contact information is listed in the description below this episode. I'm Terry Pasquarelli, MVP Realty at 239-300-6047. Let's navigate the Naples area real estate market together to make your next sale or purchase successful. And before you go, there's more helpful information about the Southwest Florida real estate market in the upper right-hand side of your screen. So check it out, and I'll meet you over there. Thanks for watching.